Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to reset the battery status using EDL mode on a Samsung device. This procedure should be performed after replacing the battery with a new one to reset its status. If the battery status is not reset, the phone may limit the performance and capacity of the new battery. First, connect the device in EDL mode using the test point method. Once ChimeraTool detects the device, follow the on-screen instructions to complete a successful detection. Now, we will check the current battery cycle count. Go to the General tab and click on Get Info. As you can see, the battery full discharge cycle count is 148. We will now reset this value using ChimeraTool. To proceed, click on Close and Save to History. Then, from the main menu, go to the Repair tab and select Reset Battery Status. Wait for ChimeraTool to complete the process. As shown, the process has been completed successfully. To verify the result, disconnect the device and reconnect it again using the test point method. Once the device is detected, go to the General tab, click on Get Info, and start the procedure. Now, you can see that the battery full discharge cycle count has been reset to 1.
Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.